Hello everyone, welcome to our project. Today we will excited to explain our topic, personalized medicine, the integration of genetic information into drug design for tailored treatments. This project presented by me, Kanalbek Arayalım, and my teammates Basambayeva Nazira, Ashim Nurgul, and Barat Akhbota. So, personalized medicine, often referred to as precision medicine, represents a transformative shift in the healthcare by customizing medical treatments to the unique genetic and molecular profiles of individual patients. So, it's our content plan: introduction, main body, and conclusion, and references. So, one size fits all, not this time. So, what is exactly personalized medicine? As this slide shows, it's all about tailoring treatment to a person's genetic profile, moving away from the old one-size-fits-all idea, and we found it really interesting that this approach can make a huge differences. For example, breast cancer. It's not just about treating disease, but also preventing them by understanding someone's genetic early on. So, this slide highlights the critical and crucial role of genetic information and molecular biology in shaping drug design for personalized medicine. Biochemical analysis complements this by studying molecular interaction within the body, ensuring drugs are both effective and safe. These advancements have a direct impact on treatment outcomes, as reflected as the phrase "special for you", emphasizing how this approach delivers customized solutions that enhance patient care and treatment precision. So you can see this pie chart showing the therapeutic areas of new drug approvals with pharmacogenomics labeling from 2000 to 2020. The largest portion, 50%, falls under oncology, indicating the significant role of genetic information in this field, followed by neurology at 9% and infectious disease at 7.9%. This trend highlights the growing integration of genetic insights into drug development across various medical fields, emphasizing the importance of personalized approaches in improving treatment precision and effectiveness.
Thank you, Arayalım, and me, Nazira, will talk about how genetics influences drug response, pharmacogenomics basics. So what is pharmacogenomics? Pharmacogenomics is a study of how a person's genetic makeup influences their response to drugs. This field plays a key role in personalized medicine, ensuring that patients receive the most effective treatment with minimal side effects. One of the main reasons people respond differently to medications is genetic variation. For instance, single nucleotide polymorphism, or SNPs, are small changes in DNA that can impact how drugs are metabolized. A well-known example is CYP2D6 enzyme, which is responsible for processing about 25% of prescription drugs, including the painkiller codeine. And some people have extra copies of this gene, making them metabolize drugs too quickly, leading to potential overdosing, and the others may have a version of the gene that barely works, meaning they do not get the intended benefit from the medications. So pharmacogenomics allows for more efficient medication and enhances patients' outcomes. In the technologies and the methods used in personalized medicine. Personalized medicine relies on advanced technologies to analyze a person's unique genetic makeup and their treatments accordingly. One of the most significant breakthroughs is next-generation sequencing, which allows scientists to decode DNA quickly and efficiently. Alongside this, microarray technology enables to detection of genetic variation that influence drug metabolism. And in addition, hardware, sophisticated bioinformatic tools play a crucial role in interpreting sequencing data. These tools help identify mutations, analyze gene expression patterns, and then predict how a patient will respond to specific treatment. Detecting single mutations in broader genomic profiling. Advantages and the challenges of implementing personalized medicine. Advantages include it's a more effective treatment. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to a person's genetic makeup, ensuring the drug works best for them instead of one-size-fits-all approach. and it's have fewer side effects since doctors can predict how a patient's body will react to a drug. They can avoid prescribing medications that may cause harmful side effects. And it's optimized drug dosing. Genetics testing helps determine the right dosage for each patient, reducing trial and error prescribing, and faster diagnosis and the treatment. So genetic profiling can detect disease early, allowing for faster and more precise treatments, especially useful for conditions like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and the rare genetic disorders. So let's talk about challenges of personalized medicine. The first is high cost. Genetic testing and the personalized treatments are expensive because many advanced techniques such as whole genome sequencing require sophisticated technology and specialized experts, making them unaffordable for many patients. And the second is limited accessibility. Not all hospitals and the clinics have access to genetic testing, and precision medicine. Developing countries in particular may not have an infrastructure to support it. And the third is data privacy and the ethical concerns. Storing and sharing genetic information raises privacy risks. And the next is complexity in implementation. Personalized medicine requires trained professionals who can analyze genetic data and interpret the results correctly. Many healthcare systems are still adapting to these new techniques. And the last is risks of genetic discrimination. If genetic data is not protected properly, people could face discrimination based on their genetic risks of disease. And for people with a higher genetic risk of illness, it may be very harmful.
So hello everyone, today me and Shmirgul will continue case studies in personalized medicine. Now let's look at some real-world applications of personalized medicine in three major areas: cancer therapy, neurological disorders, and cardiovascular diseases. So first of all, let's talk about cancer therapy. Personalized medicine has revolutionized cancer treatment by tailoring therapies based on a patient's genetic profile. For example, target therapies like HER2 inhibitors are used in breast cancer patients whose tumors express the HER2 protein. This precision approach improves effectiveness while reducing unnecessary side effects. So second is neurological disorders. Neurological disorders have diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. These genetic and biomarker-based approaches help doctors predict diseases progression and choose the most effective treatments. Then pharmacogenomics is also being used in psychiatry, ensuring that antidepressants or antipsychotic medications are selected based on the patient's genetic ability to metabolize them. And the last one is cardiovascular diseases. Personalized medicine is also making strides in cardiology. For instance, genetic testing helps identify individuals who are more likely to experience severe side effects from common blood thinners like warfarin. This allows for dose adjustments, improving treatment safety and efficiency. Each of these examples highlights how personalized medicine is transforming and patient care by making treatments more effective and reducing adverse effects. So let's go further and talk about the biochemical aspects of drug design. When we talk about it, the key factor in personalized medicine is understanding how drugs are metabolized and in the body, and one of the most important enzyme families involved is CYP450. So the role of CYP540. So CYP540 enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down medications. However, due to genetic polymorphism, as it said before by Nazira, or variations in genes, not everyone processes drugs at the same rate. So, impact of genetic variability. If a patient has non-functional CYP450 enzyme, drugs may not be metabolized efficiently, leading to toxic buildup and increased side effects. On the other hand, if the CYP450 enzyme is highly active, drugs will be metabolized too quickly, making them less effective because they are eliminated from the body before they can work properly. So understanding these differences allows doctors to adjust drug types and dosages for each patient, ensuring the best therapeutic outcome with minimal risk.
And then ethical and the social aspects of personalized medicine. First of all, cost and accessibility of personalized treatment. Many personalized drugs, especially protein ones, are expensive, which limits their availability to the general population. And also, personalized medicine requires new infrastructure laboratories for genetic testing. And the need to educate doctors and patients on the use of genetic information. And also we have potential risks of genetic discrimination. Employers and the insurance companies might use genetic information to discriminate against individuals with predispositions to certain diseases. Some countries have laws, for example, the Genetic Information and Discrimination Act in the US to prevent this, but enforcement challenges remain. Ethical dilemmas arise when individuals must choose between knowing their genetic risks and potential discrimination. Public awareness and stronger legal frameworks are needed to prevent misuse of genetic data. Then, let's continue. The future of personalized medicine. First, it's further development of pharmacogenomics and application of bioinformatics to create individual treatment regimens, and also possibility of developing personalized drugs created for a specific patient's genetic profile. And in the future, CRISPR and other gene technologies may be able to correct mutations that cause disease. Also, we need to develop the targeted therapy and the genetic engineering in the future. Then we have artificial intelligence and big data in medicine. AI helps analyze genetic data, predicts the development of diseases, and select individual treatment plans. And also, artificial intelligence helps develop new drugs faster and at lower costs. Also, we have wearable devices, for example, smartwatches, sensors that enable to real-time health monitoring is possible to invent in the future.
Thank you, girls. In conclusion, personalized medicine is transforming healthcare by using genetic insights to create tailored treatments. Technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and genomic sequencing are key drivers, enabling more precise and effective therapies. This approach improves patient care and can reduce healthcare costs by avoiding ineffective treatments. We believe its future lies in collaboration between researchers, companies, and policymakers to make it widely accessible.
Bye-bye! Thank you
for listening.